company website to Mojos Institute of Technology. Before getting to today's video session, I'd just like to introduce ourselves. We are from Mojos Institute of Technology. Our company website www.mjit.in. If you would like to write an email regarding to our training related queries, you can write an email info@mjit.in. If you would like to call me or WhatsApp us 8825410600. Today's video session we are going to be discuss about if condition in Linux shell scripting. Without further delay, just jump into our today's agenda. We are going to be discuss about if condition in the shell scripting. Why we need an if condition in the shell scripting? To make a decision one level above to decision making, we are use if condition in the shell scripting. Whereas in you can compare it to values, to strings, and greater than or less than. All this you can make use of an if condition in the shell scripting. Okay, if condition is used to compare two values or a string. The syntax for if condition is if is the keyword, and then condition, you have to express your condition, what you going to do. If you check comparing the two values or greater than or less than, you have to mention. After that, each condition you have to write, then keyword you have to write, then the statement, what you going to be print. The statements you can written over here in the statement. So fi is end of the if statement, whereas in your programming languages you don't use fi. So here in the script and shell scripting or your bash scripting, you have to use fi, which means is the end of this particular if condition. Okay, without further delay, just get into the hands-on. So yeah, let us try the first script. Vi script dot sh. Okay, so press I to edit, and then you write shangbang bin a path, executable path, bash is my shell. So I like to declare a variable count as my variable, equal to, I like to give 10. I like to give my if. Okay, the condition is, I like to call my variable count variable is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the condition I have given. So I like to give here then echo within double quotes. So what are the things, the statement we are going to be give, the condition is true, which means it's the it going to be execute in this part. I made some typo. Yeah, condition is true. Okay, so what next we have to do? We have to end up with the shell script with fi. Okay, so this condition decision making here, the if this particular condition is going to be end when you use fi. So now I like to save this. Okay, so I like to give a executable permission to this script dot sh. I missed out chmod a plus x, so I'm going to give executable permission. So I like to execute my script here, script dot sh. Okay, so the condition is true now. So again we'll go back the script and validate dot sh. So here the count value, you can see here the count value is yes equal, this condition is satisfied. For suppose I like to change 9, what it gonna be happen? Okay, nine. Okay, escape colon. So I like to execute now the script. Let us see, I change the condition script dot sh. So which is executed, the condition is not true, so it's came out of the loop, it is not performed. The script is correct but the condition is satisfied, so it came out of the loop. Okay, not loop, if condition, I'm sorry. Okay, so I have written one more script here. So here I can briefly explain the second script which we can make use of. We have seen only double equal to. If the greater than less than, the same script we can see the script I have here. I written the Shangbang a variable declare as a 10 and then b variable declare as a 20. So here what I written, the if condition, I call the both the variable comparing the both the value. If then the both a is equal to b, then it's going to be execute this. Okay, else if it is this is not satisfied, then it moves to here. So which is -gt is a is greater than b. Okay, so if a is the greater than b, then this statement it going to be execute. So else if it is this condition also not satisfied, then else if a less than, for how we can use the less than, -lt is the less than, a is less than b. So if this condition is true, then it's going to be print here. If these three conditions are not satisfied, else none of the above statement is going to be met. Just will execute the script and check whether, whereas in a is equal to a value is equal to 10, b value is equal to 20. First step what we are going to do is going to be compare the both the values. Second condition we are going to be try which is the greater one, it's going to be print. Third one which is the less than b, we going to be try. Let's execute and see what the script is going to be perform. Script 2.sh, a less than b. Yes, a is less than b. This is the condition is satisfied, so it got executed. So here it got satisfied. Yeah, this both values are not equal. A is not greater than b, so a is less than b. So a values less than b. This is how, why I shown this example. You can make use of the same. So to comparing the both the values, you can use double equal to. If you find the greater than, yes, you can use the same way here. This make use of your string values as well. You can declare a string value and then you give some string value here. You can try it over that as well. Okay, yeah. So please like, share, thanks for watching our video. Please like, share, subscribe our video. It will motivate us to do more videos. Okay, thank you.